I recently discovered this brand and I'm all about teeth whitening. So let's do a before and after demo. This is gonna be my first time using the whitening strips. I did use the toothpaste already. So here's the before. Cheese. I have pretty white teeth because I take care of them, but I do drink a ton of coffee. So yes, they tend to stain more easily. And I am 41 years old, so your teeth start to yellow over time. All right, so first I'm gonna brush with this and then we're gonna put on the teeth whitening strips. So I have my Sonic Care toothbrush. Let me go brush my teeth and I'll be right back. Okay, just brushed my teeth with the whitening toothpaste. Already noticing a little bit of a difference there. And now let's start with the whitening. So this is a 30-minute process. This is what it looks like when it comes out. They are individually wrapped. And this top one that's longer, that's gonna be for the top. And then the other one that's a little more curved, that's gonna be for the bottom. So let's put it on. So you want to use both hands. And just like that. So you're kind of sealing it around your teeth. I know I look funny, but I can still talk with it in, which is great. And then this is going to be for the bottom. I think it goes up like this. It's in. We're gonna give it 30 minutes and then I will take them off and show you the results. We just hit the 30-minute mark. Let's take them off. Now, I always recommend go brush your teeth right after. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I'm back. You ready for this? I think it made a really big difference. I'm gonna get up close. I don't know, it just seems so much whiter. Now, a couple things to note, after using these, I felt like it left a pretty thick film on it. So I had to brush like longer than normal to kind of get that all off compared to some other white strips I've used in the past. So it does leave a little bit more of like a thicker film, but you brush that right off. And then also note, you don't want to eat or drink 30 minutes after using these. So don't do it right before you're about to have lunch or dinner or anything like that. So I gotta say, in combination, this is amazing, amazing. I'm now a huge fan of the whitening toothpaste and the whitening strips.